Introducing my 12-week course. Here's how I can help you move forward. I've created a 12-week paid course designed to give you everything you need to detox from toxic relationships and rebuild your life. This course is designed to deliver in-depth education on narcissism. It also has skill-building exercises to help you set boundaries and restore your self-worth, and the support you need to stay on track. As part of this free community, I'm giving you access to the first week of the course for free. This will allow you to experience the kind of transformation that's possible when you invest in this journey. And to ensure that this community remains valuable for everyone, I'll also be doing a weekly free Q&A session where I answer your biggest questions. This will be recorded and posted here for everyone to watch. It's a great way to get a taste of the depth and insights you'll find in the paid course, and you'll see firsthand why the added support and coaching are so essential to truly breaking free. You deserve to invest in yourself. This is your moment. You're here because something in your life needs to change. You're tired of feeling stuck, trapped, broken, and deep down, you know that trying to handle this on your own isn't working. This is your moment to break the cycle, to stop trying to fix the narcissist, and to start fixing what truly matters, you. If you're ready to take that step, I'm here to guide you. Together, we'll detox your life from toxic relationships and rebuild the strong, confident person you are underneath it all. You deserve to be free. You deserve to heal. This course provides the cheat codes for breaking free, gaining peace of mind, and acquiring the strength to persevere. Let's make that happen together.